Good morning to all. We are in chapter 3 parallel lines. Our first exercise 3.1 is completed. Now we have to see our next exercise 3.2. The one note is there. The line parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other sides in equal ratio. Means there is one triangle ABC. Here triangle ABC. The line parallel to one side of a triangle. DE is a line which is parallel to BC. DE is a line which is parallel to BC. Divides the other sides in equal ratio. This DE divides other two sides. Other two sides means AB and AC into equal ratio. Equal ratio means here AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is the equal ratio. Now see exercise 3.2. Question number 1. In the given figure, DE is parallel to BC. If AD is equal to 1.5 cm, DB is equal to 3 cm, EC is equal to 4 cm, then find out the measure of AE. Here in diagram given all the measurements. ABC is a triangle ABC, where what are given? AD is equal to 1.5 cm and DB is equal to 3 cm. AE we have to find AE and EC is equal to 4 cm. Just now we have done the line parallel to one side of triangle divides other two sides into equal ratio. It means their ratios are equal. So we can say because AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So put the value. AD value is 1.5, DB value is 3, AE value we have to find, EC value is 4. Now cross multiply. 3 multiplied by AE is equal to 1.5 multiplied by 4. AE is equal to 1.5 multiplied by 4 upon 3. This multiply will come here. Divide means upon. Now this decimal we have to remove and put here 0. Now 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So AE is equal to 2 cm. The measure of AE is equal to 2 cm. That is your answer. Now question number 2. Draw a line segment AB of 7.5 cm and divide it into 3 equal parts. Measure the length of each part. So first we have to draw a line segment of AB 7.5 cm. To draw a line segment AB of 7.5 cm. This is the line segment AB of 7.5 cm. AB. How many centimeter? 7.5 centimeter. Then after that, here we have to write step of construction also. Steps for construction. So first step is draw a line segment AB of 7.5 centimeter. Now second we have to do, draw acute angle of equal measure at both ends of line AB in opposite direction. Acute angle of equal measure means here angle we have to make. Angle 45 we have to make on both sides. Any acute angle you can make. I am making angle of 45 degree. So for that we have to make angle from point A and point B of 45 degree by protractor. You have to use your protractor and you have to draw angles. I don't have protractor just now, that's why I am using scale only, but I have make here accurate 45 degree. You have to measure by your protractor and make angle of 45 degree. Both the angles should be equal. This is also 45 degree and this is also 45 degree. Our second step is draw acute angles of equal measure at both ends of lines AB in the opposite direction. First angle name is HAB is equal to YBA is equal to 45 degree. HAB is equal to YBA 45 degree. Now we have to do, with the help of compass, cut 3 arcs of equal radius on both the ray AH and YB. So with the help of compass we have to cut the equal radius. To take the radius this much without any measurement, take the small radius, then from point A draw an arc, then from new point draw another arc, then again from new point draw another arc, like that. How many arcs we have to make? 3 arcs. Same radius, no need to change the radius. Draw the 3 arcs from point B. First arc, second arc and third arc, and name the arc here. Name them. First one is A1, second one is A2, third one is A3. Here B1, B2, B3. Write the step. With the help of compass, cut 3 arcs of equal radius on both rays AH and BY at point A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3 respectively. Then join last point A to B3, like that, and B to A3. Join last point A to B3 and B to A3. Then join A1 to B2 and A2 to B1. Join A1 to B2 and A2 to B1, which cuts line segment AB at point C and D. The points are C and D. These C and D divides line segment AB at 3 equal parts. First part is AC, second part is CD, and third part is DB. Therefore, measure of each part is equal to how many measure? 2.5 centimeter. All the parts is 2.5 centimeter. This is our solution. Same to same, one homework question I am giving. Draw a line segment of 8.4 cm and divide it into 7 equal parts. Measure the length of each part. Here you have to make 7 equal parts. Means how many arcs you have to cut? 7 equal arcs you have to cut. Some important thing you have to keep in mind when you will construct this type of diagram. First thing is you have to take, I have taken here 45-degree angles. You can take any acute angles. Acute angle means more than 0 and less than 90. You can take the angles between 0 to 90, but in take always 40 angle, 50 angle. This 40 degree and 50 degree is more easy to make this type of diagram. I have taken 45 degree. If you have any problem in 45 degree, you can take 40 degree or 50 degree and draw these angles by using protractor. Draw this angle by using protractor always. And second thing is, when you will draw the arc, so you have to draw this arc by equal radius. You have to take equal radius. You have to take when you will draw the arc. When you will draw the arc, you have to take the equal radius. And third thing is that you have to draw this diagram with pencil. Don't draw this diagram with pen. You have to draw this diagram with pencil.